Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ashiruzaman Khan from Government Muslim Science College, Hyderabad. Continuing the equations reducible to quadratic equations, solve the following: x plus 6, x plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 2 plus 56 is equal to 0. The students will be wondered that how can we multiply these four brackets, which bracket can be multiplied first with which bracket. So for checking the multiplication of the brackets, we have to consider the constant term present in the bracket. So if we see here, in the bracket, first bracket constant term is 6, second bracket is 1, third bracket 3, and fourth bracket is minus 2. So we will check it. If we combine, if we add, if we sum them, and we get the same answer. So if we add 6 minus 2 together, we will get 4, and 1 plus 3 we will get 4. So for the checking of the multiplication, we can consider 6, 1, 3 and minus 2. So we can check this. 6 minus 2 is equal to what? 4. And 1 into 3, 1 plus 3 is also equal to 4. So we will multiply first bracket with the fourth bracket, and the middle two bracket will be multiplied together. So we will multiply first bracket with the fourth one, and the second bracket will be third one. So we just put together, and x plus 6, x minus 2 will put together. This is first bracket and this is fourth bracket, and these are the two middle brackets, that is second and third bracket, will be multiplied by together. So by putting x square plus 4x minus is equal to y, we have over here y minus 12, and we have over here y plus 3 plus 56 is equal to 0. So y square, y multiplied by y is equal to y square, y multiplied by 3 is equal to 3y, minus 12 multiplied by y is equal to y, 12y minus plus minus 12 3 is a 36 minus k, plus 56 is equal to 0. So y square minus 12y plus 3y becomes 9y minus k, and 56 minus 36 is equal to 20. Now by factorization, the middle term is 9, and this is last term 20. If we the coefficient of y square is equal to 1, multiply by 20 is equal to 20. We have to find out the two numbers. When we multiply them together, we will get 20, and we add them together, we get 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So these are the two factors. So y square minus plus minus 4y minus plus minus 5y plus 20 is equal to 0. So we will move further to factorize complete. So if we take y as common from the first bracket, that is 4y square minus 4y, we will get y minus 4, and the third and fourth term is minus 5y plus 20 is equal to 5 is common, minus sign is common, so negative 5y will be equal to y, and 4 5s are 20, so 4 will be there. So these are the two common brackets, so it will be taken as one time, and y minus 5 will be combined together to one bracket is equal to 0. So both are equal to 0, so we will take it for step by step. Y minus 5 is equal to 0, y minus 4 is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, and y equal to 4. There are two values, but y is equal to x square plus 4x. But y is equal to x square plus 4x, and y equal to 5. So x square plus 4x is equal to 5. So x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Again we can factorize it. Again we can see that the coefficient of x square is equal to 1, and this is minus 5. 1 into minus 5 is equal to minus 5. We have to break the middle term 4 as in the multiple of 2, that is 5 into 1 minus 1. 5 ones are minus 5, and then 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So x square plus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. These are the two factors of 4x. 5x minus x is equal to 4x. 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 5. So if we see this x square plus 5x, the common term is x. We have taken out together outside. So x plus 5 will be inside the bracket. And in these two terms, minus sign is common, minus 1 is common, x plus 5 will be remain in the bracket. Now the final factors are x minus 1 and x plus 5, both are equal to 0. We can x minus 5 1 by 1 we can take it as 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 1, x equal to 1, the value of x is equal to 1 and x equal to value. Now we are taking y equal to x square plus 4x again, and the value of y is equal to 4. So x square plus 4x equal to 4. So we have over here x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. By comparing with the quadratic equation, we have a equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to 4. So by putting in the quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. So we are just plugging in the values. X equal to minus b minus 4 plus minus square of 4 minus 4 into 1 into minus 4 divided by 2 into 1. So minus 4 plus minus square of 4 is equal to 16, minus minus plus 4 4s are 16 divided by 2. 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. So what will happen? Minus 4 plus minus root of 32 divided by 2, and we can factor it. 16 2s are 32, and 16 is equal to 4 into 4. We have couple in there in the root sign, so we will take out 4 as as 1 in a single, and root 2 will be in the root side. So minus 4 plus minus 4 root 2 divided by 2 is the factor of 32, and then what will happen? 2 will cancel out. We can take 2 common from here over here. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. We can take 2 common. Minus 2 will be remain there. Minus plus minus 2 over here, root 2, and whole divided by 2. 2 will cancel out 2. So we will have x minus 2 plus 2 root 2, or the value of x is equal to minus 2 root 2. So these are the two values of x also. We have the solution set minus 5, 1, minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2. These are the values of x for that form of the equation. So this conclude our today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.